If your Fision TV Plus remote control becomes unpaired from your set-top box, follow these simple steps to repair your remote. An unpaired remote will still work in IR mode, but functionality will be limited. You'll know the remote is unpaired if an amber light is flashing at the top of the remote. In this mode, the remote will need a line of sight to the set-top box, so make sure to remove any obstructions before beginning the repairing process. Press the Google Voice Assistant button on your remote control. This is the button with 4 colored dots on it. The remote control pairing screen should display on your television. Follow the on-screen instructions to repair your remote. Press and hold the home button and the back arrow at the same time. After a few moments, the connection to your Fision TV Plus remote control should be restored. If you're still having trouble, go to the support section of your community website and under Fision TV Plus, select Remote Control.